Slide 80, Lesson 5, Questions. The question mark. Hey. A question with a yes or no type answer in Biblical Hebrew is denoted by putting a hey in front of the sentence. For instance, Ha'ata ish ha'Elohim. Ha'ata ish ha'Elohim, which means, are you or thou the man of God? Are you the man of God? This is the word for you, atah, and this is the word man, ish, and this is the word the Elohim, the God. Are you the man of God? Now the hey cannot be confused with the hey that's also used to denote the. If you remember previous lessons, the hey in front of a word means the. Now we can easily tell that this does not mean the, because it doesn't make sense if it says the. Otherwise it would say the you are man of the Elohim. So this hey means to denote a question. Are you a man of God? Ha'ata ish ha'Elohim. Now, by the way, in modern Hebrew, they use a word haim to denote a question, a yes or no type answer, with a yes or no type answer. They use a word haim, and they say haim ata ish ha'Elohim. In Biblical Hebrew, it's just denoted with the hey. Let's have a look at another example. Ha'ayin po navi. Ha'ayin po navi. Ayin means not, and po means here. So this is saying not here, something or other. Navi. Navi is prophet. Comes from the word bo, which means to come or to go, because a prophet sees things that are to come. So Navi is related to the word things to come. So the Navi, the prophet, sees things to come. So in any case, Ha'ayin po Navi. Is there not here a prophet? Is there not a prophet here? Is there not a prophet here? Okay, so that's the question with a yes or no type answer. We don't use a question mark, we use the letter hey in front of the sentence to denote that a question is being asked with a yes or no type answer. The next question is using the word in Hebrew for what, which is ma, mem, hey, ma, which denotes what. So, ma shemecha means what is your name. Shem means name, Shem. Shemecha, there's a pronominal suffix there, means your name, your name. Shemi is my name, Shemecha is your name. Shemo is his name. So ma shemecha, what is your name? Here's another example. Ma hadavar hazeh. Ma hadavar hazeh. What is the word this? What is this word, or what is this thing? Davar can mean word or thing, depending on context. And in Exodus 18:14 we read, what is this thing? What is this thing? Ma hadavar hazeh. Ma hadavar hazeh. What is this thing? Okay, another type of question is the question with a who in it. And in Hebrew, the word for who is the word me. Mem yod, or mem cherik yod. Me. Who. So that's a little bit confusing with the word me in English. But me in Hebrew, the same sounding word means who. So in this example, mi ata bani. Who are you, my son? Ben is son, bani is my son. Mi ata bani. Who are you, my son? Who art thou, my son? Again, remember, thou means saying you to just one person. So it's a more accurate way of saying you when you're speaking to just one person. That's older King James English. Okay, and the final example here, mi ha'anashim ha'alei imach. Mi ha'anashim ha'alei imach. Who are the men? Anashim means men. Ha'alei, these. These. Remember, if we say the word these, we have to have the same definite article there. It has to agree in definiteness, that's how we say it. So if it says on the noun, hey, ha, which means the, then the corresponding demonstrative has to have a hey on it. Mi ha'anashim ha'alei imach. If you want to know more about alei, that's in the previous lesson. Mi means who, ha'anashim means the men, these, or these. Who are the men these? Imach, with you. Imach. Im means with, and cha means you. Not to be confused with another word that's spelt the same but with different vowels. Am means people, but im means with. So, who are these men with thee? And the King James says what? It's literally who. Who are the men these with you? Okay, so that's all for questions. We want to say yes, no type questions, we use the hey at the beginning of the sentence. And it doesn't mean the in this case, and you can tell it doesn't mean the because it doesn't make sense if it says the. And if we want to say a what type question, we use the word ma. Ma. And it's the same in modern Hebrew, just the same. And if we want to say who, we say me. Just the same in modern Hebrew. Again, modern Hebrew is just, it's in many ways, if you learn biblical Hebrew, it's a good base for modern Hebrew. If you can read biblical Hebrew, you can read modern children's books, but to read the newspaper, you need to learn a lot more words, a lot more modern Hebrew words for things that they didn't have back in Bible times, for instance. And grammar's changed a little bit, but not too drastically. Okay, so that's all for questions.